More on Trump impeachment defense says reportedly is not evidence of anything. Trump's legal team presents opening arguments at impeachment trial. Trump impeachment trial, Day 4 schedule, time and how to watch. Dems resume opening arguments on Day 3 of Trump impeachment trial. Washington, former President Donald Trump's impeachment lawyers charged Democrats with launching a blatantly unconstitutional act of political vengeance as they opened their case on Day 4 of the trial Friday, pointing out the double standard the former president is being held to, and highlighting inflammatory rhetoric Democratic lawmakers have used themselves in addressing the chamber. Attorney Michael Veen played a brutal montage of Democratic lawmakers objecting to Trump's 2016 Electoral College victory and inciting their own brand of politics. This appalling abuse of the Constitution only further divides our nation when we should be trying to come together around shared priorities, Veen said, dubbing the trial constitutional can. Like every other politically motivated witch hunt the left has engaged in over the past 4 years, this impeachment is completely divorced from the facts and the interest of the American people. He's calling on the Senate to reject the unconstitutional charge that Trump incited the 6th Capitol siege. Veen said that Trump was the president of law and order as Democrats encouraged Black Lives Matter demonstrations last year, many of which turned violent. While the president did not engage in any language of incitement, there are numerous officials in Washington who have indeed used profoundly reckless, dangerous and inflammatory rhetoric, Veen said. Speaker Pelosi herself said that the 2016 election was hijacked, and that Congress has a duty to protect our democracy. She also called the president an imposter and a traitor and recently referred to her colleagues in the House as the enemy within. He added, "This unprecedented effort is not about Democrats opposing political violence. It is about Democrats trying to disqualify the political opposition," he said. It's expected Trump's lawyers will only use roughly 4 of the 16 hours allotted to them to make their case before a vote to convict this weekend. During their 2 days of arguments, Democrats presented previously unseen CCTV footage from the Capitol showing just how close rioters came to Trump's lawyers demanded to know why the footage hadn't been seen earlier by them, the American people, or why it wasn't released by the Department of Justice, which is prosecuting hundreds. Lawyer David Schoen slammed the House impeachment managers for doctoring tweets presented in the trial and selectively editing quotes from Trump's. They also played damning footage of Democratic lawmakers, including President Joe Biden, joking about punching Trump, getting in the face of members of Congress. Elizabeth Warren, Dems, telling her supporters to fight dozens of times during her failed